kamusta? Welcome back sa ating panibagong vlog. So nandito tayo ngayon sa event mga kamusta, no? Nandito tayo sa Solano, Nueva Vizcaya o kaya sa Bascaran Family Resort. So ayan, kung nakita niyo yung entrance natin, ayan, napakaganda mga kamusta, no? So silipin natin at tingnan natin yung mga ginawa nga ni BJ dito. Ayan si Raymar, oh. So ayan, mamaya dediretso rin tayo sa Aritaw mga kamusta, no? So papasilip din natin yung portion na yun. Pero ngayon, tingnan muna natin yung event na dito ngayon at dala natin mga gamit. So tara. So ang ganda dito mga kamusta, diba? So made by BJ Ananayo. Ayan si BJ, oh, sa MMU Events.
Vlogger?
Ayan. And then yung mga staff ni BJ. So ang ganda. So basic event lang tayo dito mga kamusta, no? Basic lights, basic sounds. Pero tingnan nyo naman yung setup ni BJ, oh. Ang ganda. So ayan, may backdraft tayo dito na 4 na dinala din lang. So pinaka basic lang talaga. Basic lang yung mga ginagamit natin. Siyempre, alam nyo naman, pandemic ngayon. So kung ano yung kasya sa budget, sabi nga, yun ang kinukuha natin. Ayan sila pare ko, yun. Ano yan? So busy. So shoutout daw sa mga girlfriend nila, asawa nila. Okay. So mamaya titingnan natin. Kasi yung reception niya nandun sa may garden. So hopefully hindi uulan. Then may papakilala pala ako sa inyo mga kamusta, no? Ayan. Si Sir Prince, ayan, may YouTube channel din po siya. Ayan, may YouTube channel din po siya. So sana i-follow niyo siya sa FB page, meron din siya.
Yes, meron.
Tapos sa kanyang YouTube channel na
www.youtube.com/PrinceRenner, R-E-N-E.
Yan. So mga kamusta, no, yung mga followers natin dyan, alam ko na i-follow nyo rin sila. Kasi alam ko naman, lalo na yung mga talagang kamusta ko dyan. Ayan. Alam ko na dikit tayo, no? So ayan, silipin din natin yung mga ginagawa niya mamaya. Then yung kung ano yung content na talagang sineshare niya para sa atin. So napakagaling na MCL mga kamusta, no? So likot muna tayo dito. So tingnan natin yung setup natin. So gaya ng dati mga kamusta, no? Ayan yung controller natin. Yung gamit ang virtual DJ, naka laptop tayo, naka PC. Then ito naka Surface keypad lang tayo. Then yung ating JBL na microphone. Meron din tayong may extra din tayo dito na Shure. Clone lang to mga kamusta, pero ang ganda ng pickup nya. Kung makikita nyo yung range nya, layo. Almost nasa 100 meters yung range nya. Sabihin na natin na 80 to 100 meters. Pero abot na abot, tapos klarong klaro. Then yung mixer natin na Yamaha clone, okay rin siya. So 12 channels to mga kamusta, no? Yan, 12 channels. Then yung limiter natin, then yung ating gamit na mono equalizer, tapos yung ating pang mid-high, yan, D-Ton. Then yung sub natin made by Marco Francis Mix Vlog. Sana supportan nyo rin siya. Yan, then natin yung mga DIY na tour case. So tingnan natin dito yung tripod natin na ayan, hindi siya active mga kamusta, no? So passive lang yan. Then yung sub natin, basic sub lang, 18 inches. So tingnan natin, ang ganda. So may nagtatanong ano mga kamusta, yung isa nating follower, ayan, patungkol dito nga sa may Yamaha natin. So sabi niya wala daw reverb o wala daw effects. So ngayon ang ginagawa ko lang mga kamusta, no, yung effects natin, ito ino-on ko lang siya nasa 11 o'clock. So maliit lang yan na effects natin. And then ito may effects siya, pero yung basic events na effects lang. And then may delay din naman to. Ayan, may repeat, delay. And then yung pan natin, which is left and right. So ito yung pinaka delay natin, repeat. Then yung effects natin. So basic lang yan mga kamusta, no? So, kung wala tayong effects na pwedeng gamitin, kasi meron yan. Ito yun yung return na tinatawag nandiyan, no? Ayan, effects, tapos yung return. So may ginagamit talaga tayo na pang effects, pero wala tayong dala ngayon mga kamusta, no? So kung mga basic lang naman na events o kaya mga maliliit na concert, pwede na po ito kasi may delay at saka repeat naman na siya, then may effects na maliit. So yan. So pwede mong sundan yon sir, ano, pwede mong gamitin yon. So simple lang naman kahit na walang reverb. Ayan. So ayan, mag-i-start ng mga kamusta. Ayan si Sir Prince. So sa mga gustong kunin siya, ayan, ng mga sa mga lahat kahit anong events. So yun ang pinaka-expertise niya. So ayan, mag-i-start ng mga kamusta.
God is light of the world, and that where His people are, at whatever occasion, there He.
So ito yung isa sa mga content ni Sir Prince. Sa video natin. Kakantahan niya yung pagpasok ng ating bride.
Brace yourselves, ladies and gentlemen, as we welcome the second most significant lady of the celebration. And now, ladies and gentlemen, may I request everyone to please all rise as we welcome the most important and the most beautiful lady of our celebration, our soon-to-be bride. Once again, tumayo po tayong lahat at bigyan po natin ng isang masayang salubong ang ating soon-to-be bride. Two hearts can come together, love can last forever. But now that I have found you, I believe that a miracle has come when God sends the perfect one. I'm gonna roll my questions about why, and I've never been so sure of anything in my life. Wonder what God was thinking when He created you. I wonder if He knew everything I would need, because He made all my dreams come true. When God made you, He must have been thinking about me. Wherever you may go, wherever life will lead you, with all my heart I'll be there too. From this moment on, I want you to know I let nothing come between us. I will love the ones you love. Now I'm gonna roll my questions about why, and I've never been so sure of anything in my life. I wonder what God was thinking when He created you. I wonder if He knew everything I would need, because He made all my dreams come true. When God made you, He must have been thinking about me. He made the sun, He made the moon to harmonize in perfect tune. One can move without the other, they just have to be together.
God did not create
All around,
man
mga
to be
kamusta, all
alone.
around.
He designed him.
So ayan mga kamusta, nandito na yung sila MJ, oh. Ayan, no? So magkakasama din kami mamaya hanggang gabi, no? Punta kaming Aritaw kasi may gig din, pero acoustic lang yung hawak natin, hindi yung buo. So kasama din natin sila, then kukuha tayo ng mga cover nila na kanta, then panibagong upload yung mga yun.
Mayroon kang galit.
Lifting my praise to you as a pleasing sacrifice. 'Cause Lord, I offer you my life. Huwag mangamba ang pag-ibig ating pangarap. May kapalang siyang mayagpag. Ang pagkain ating pag nakalimutan ng ating sayaw, kumupas dating pagtingin. At kung ang dulo ay natatanaw, sumpaan ay gunitain. Tayo ay babalik sa simula.
Taniga lang mga kamusta, pataniga lang.
Begging you, so put your loving hand out, baby. Begging you, put your loving hand out, darling. Flying high, when I was free, I'm very hard fast 'cause I had everything. Walk away, you want me dead, but easy come and easy go, and it wouldn't. So anytime I feed you, let me know. Yeah, anytime I feed you, let me go. Anytime I see you, let me know. What a plan to see, just to let me go. On my knees, but I'm begging, 'cause I don't wanna lose you. Yeah, ta-ta-ta-ta. I'm begging you. So put your loving hand out, baby. Begging you. So put your loving hand out, baby. I need you to understand. Tried so hard to be the kind of man you wanted. Only then can I begin to live again. Empty shell I used to be, the shadow of my life hanging over me. Broken man that I don't know, won't even stand a chance to bring my soul. What would you wear? What would she say? What a bottom, what a basement, what a goddamn shit to raise that. What a feel, what a need to replace that. You're wrong way, track to the good. I wanna paint a picture, telling where you could be at. Like a heart in the best spaceship. You give it away, you had and you took away. But I keep walking on, keep open doors, keep open forward. The doors is yours, keep most of home. 'Cause I don't wanna live in a broken heart, like I'm begging. Yeah, I'm begging you.
glad. I'm begging, begging you. So put your loving hand out, baby. I'm begging, begging you. So put your loving hand out, darling. I'm begging, begging you. So put your loving hand out, baby. I'm begging, begging you. So put your loving hand out, baby. I'm begging, begging you.
May sasaluhin ka.
Yeah, yeah.
Sa taas ka na.
Ayan, so tani ka lang mga kamusta. Galing.
Alright, so
Amin nga din ang thank you.
So ayun mga
Yaman
kamusta
kami
no.
muna itanong.
Kita-kita na lang tayo sa next event natin. Pero sa susunod na vlog na natin. So ayan, mag-ingat po kayo lahat. Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood. God bless everyone. Bye.